At Pella, we're passionate about helping our homeowners achieve the unique vision that they have for their home. Today, they have more tools than ever before to derive inspiration from. Things like Pinterest and Houzz are influencing them to be able to personalize their space. And when you think about a window, one of the ways that they can personalize that unit is by hardware. So it was important for us to think through not only what are the hardware designs that we need to achieve, but also what are the finishes that coordinate well with that vision. So that whether they're trying to look for a traditional feel or a contemporary feel or somewhere in between, we have an option that fills their need. But it's about more than the aesthetic. It's about the quality, which is why we test our hardware designs and finishes so that we can be confident in the solutions that we're putting in our customers' homes.
We test everything about our hardware designs according to BHMA standards and tests that we've developed ourselves internally. We do chemical resistance testing. We expose the hardware finish to things like window cleaner, isopropyl alcohol, even human perspiration to see how it reacts. Weathering covers a wide variety of different things. You can have a salt spray exposure test so we understand how it reacts in that type of environment. We also do things like sunlight exposure to see if there's any changes to the finish when it's exposed to sunlight for long periods of time. We test our hardware so we are confident that the products that we deliver to our customers live up to the Pella reputation.